How do you support enterprise customers and developers that use your APIs? Developers learn to write code through errors. They like to try things out and find out why they didn't work. Nomos provides interactive online support so developers can learn from their mistakes. We take API manuals and create interactive online support services. We integrate the services with API platforms and sandboxes, and we auto-generate documentation. Let's see some examples. Look at a telecoms wholesale order API. Here's a JSON request for an NFAS connect order. The manual says that the port ID for voice resources must be 0 or 1. Apigee provides an API platform where you can host proxies for your API. There's a proxy for the wholesale order API on Apigee. The developer sends a request to the API proxy. We have built a service that checks everything in the manual and returns error information when problems are detected. If the JSON request is OK, the order is sent on to the API endpoint. Now let's see it working. I send the JSON order into Apigee through my browser. The Nomos service detects that a UNIV resource is being ordered on line 86 and that the port ID on line 97 is set to 3 when it ought to be 0 or 1. Here's the original JSON request. See UNIV on line 86 and port ID on line 97. You can see where you've gone wrong and you learn from your mistakes. Now let's look at electronic bank payments. Here's an XML message for bank payments. The European Payments Manual says that an IBAN bank account number must be provided for European payments. XMLdation provide a sandbox for payments XML. They help enterprise IT teams learn how to make electronic payments through their bank. Bank customers send payments XML to XMLdation. XMLdation have built services that check everything in the bank manuals and return errors when problems are detected. Now let's see it working. I submit a payments XML message to XMLdation. I select which manual I want to check against. The payments messages vary between countries and banks. I choose the EPC or European Payments Council manual. The Nomos service returns errors. XMLdation annotates the original payments message with the errors, including an error showing that the IBAN is missing. You can see where you've gone wrong and you learn from your mistakes. Rulex from Nomos Software powers these solutions. To find out more, contact us through our website or call us.